In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome, a process that can enhance your browsing experience by switching to a browser many find faster and more versatile. Transitioning to Google Chrome involves a few simple steps, and I'm here to guide you through them smoothly. First, you'll want to open up Microsoft Edge. That's where we'll begin, as making these adjustments from within Edge will streamline the switch to Chrome. Once you have Microsoft Edge open, look at the top right-hand corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 horizontal dots. Go ahead and click on those. This action will open up a drop-down menu. From that menu, you need to select Settings. This is your first major step towards customization and setting up your new browsing preferences. Now that you're in the Settings menu, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll find several options. You'll want to choose Privacy, Search, and Services. As you click on that, a new list of options will appear. Scroll down slightly and look for Search and Connected Experiences. Click on that as well. This section allows you to control what search experience you'll have within Edge and eventually assist in our transition to Chrome. Once you're in the Search and Connected Experiences section, scroll until you see Address Bar and Search. Click on it. This area is crucial because it directs how and where your searches are performed within the Edge environment. Inside this section, you will find an option labeled Manage Search Engines. Click on it. This will take you to a list of available search engines, providing you with a comprehensive view of where your searches can be performed. Among the search engine options, locate Google.com. It may not be the default yet, so we're going to change that. Next to Google.com, there will be another set of 3 vertical dots. Click on them. As you do, a small menu will appear. From this menu, choose Make Default. By selecting Google as the default search engine, you'll start experiencing more seamless searches, aligning your Edge experience closer to that of Chrome. And that's it. You've now adjusted your Edge settings to favor Google's search engine experience. It's a small but significant step as you prepare to fully transition to using Google Chrome. Remember, while this is an important change in the transition, actually using Google Chrome itself involves downloading and setting it up as your primary browser, steps we can explore in another video. By following these steps, you've set the groundwork for a browsing experience that many users find more compatible with their needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in facilitating your switch from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome.